Okay, so we, once again, it's Michael's. And last time you saw I got this stand. Spinner thing. Well, of course I had to go back for the rest of the collection. I had never seen these in store before, so I was like, okay, sold. Wanted to try these. I have a coupon. If you shop at Michael's and you don't have a coupon, I don't know what to tell you, but there's always a coupon. Sometimes they're really good. They've been switching it up. It's confusing for my wallet, but I thought this would be fun for like the springtime. We could probably even do one of these for a poinsettia for Christmas. But this is supposed to be a flower. But even the packaging is cute. And if nothing else, I'm like, this will make this easy for Violet to do with me. Oh shoot. A 3-slotted pour cup. Oh, thank you.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you. A star.
Thank you,
So like this would be cute for like even Halloween stuff. Literally anytime. I'm down for this pattern. And then of course the 7-slotted pour cup.
Mommy, I got a toy. Yeah, baby got a toy.
You do. And then I got some Mod Podge
Up a guy.
because it's a necessity.
Yeah,
And it's a goddamn staple.
Grab this tree. Wow.
You want to try to pick out some colors?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. It's okay. Yeah.
You want to do the color yellow? Okay, hold on. Let me give you the bin of colors. Can you come wipe your face? Put that down on the ground. Alright.
I pick a color. Yeah.
Look at me.
You pick a color. Yeah.
We have to clean your face. Alright, so you're going to pick the color yellow. What other color?
Orange. Yeah, orange. Yellow and orange. I like yellow.
And this is for the star or the flower? The star. Okay.
And the flower.
Let's do one at a time. Let's pick out the colors for the star first. Pick out as many colors as you want.
Yellow.
All right,
Yeah.
put it next to the star. Now pick out some more colors to go with it.
Blue. Yeah, blue. Pick up blue. Blue. Yes. This is way empty. Yes, this is full. Wait, yeah. This is way empty. Only 2 closest. Cause I empty. Yeah, I empty. Yes, I empty.
You want to put those ones with it too? Are those going with the star too? Put that paint with the star. Or is it for the flower?
Flower. Yeah, flower.
Alright, so these 3 are going to go with the star. What are we picking out for the flower? Did these go over here too? The star?
I pick a color yellow. I pick a color yellow. Yeah, baby, want to pick a color yellow. Yeah, I want to pick a color yellow. I pick a color blue.
You already picked the colors, silly. That's it. Now you gotta pick the colors for this flower over here. Over here. All right.
Yeah! Nice baby! Look at the mouth! Wow! Awesome! Now pick a color.
All right. So yellow is going in the center of the star, and everything else is going on the outside. Ugh. All right. Do you want to pick out colors for this one?
Okay, the color gold. Yeah, baby wants to pick the color gold. Oh, yeah, it's the color gold.
All right. So the flower is going to have navy in the center, and all the other colors are petals. All right.
Let me pick the color gold. Yeah, I want to pick the color gold.
The color gold. Okay. Did you pick out 3 colors for that one?
Brown, purple, and gold. Yeah, brown, purple, and gold. Mommy, I pick out 3 colors.
Awesome. All right.
Wow.
Oh.
No.
Excuse you.
Baby, you got to a little bit hit.
All right. Now you gotta pick out 7 colors.
Pick 7 colors. No, just only 3. Pick 7 colors. No. Put the mouth with these. Oh, good. Oh no. That one in there. And that one in there. Got 7 more. Yeah. Got all of me in it. Mommy, I got source code. Because I got a repo.
You gotta pick out 7. Pick out 7 colors.
No, that isn't number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
You pick out 7 colors. Yeah,
Good job.
Baby, pick out 7 colors.
All right. So it's gonna go plum, orange, dark blue, teal blue, bright red, bright blue, and turquoise for this one.
We got 7 colors. Mommy, give those ones back.
What about this one? We still have to go get the canvas anyways.
This is dropped in charge. Yeah, dropped in charge.
That's right.
Baby can open it.
You want to open it and see what they look like out of the package?
Mommy help.
All right, hold on.
This
Let
one.
me help. I'll tell you when it's ready.
No, dropped in charge. Yeah, dropped in charge. Yeah, can get out.
Can you throw that out, please?
Thank you.
Here, can you throw this out, please? Oh my goodness, is there for real one more? This must be like a high shrink item.
Drink.
Shrink.
Wow.
You're welcome.
Why you pick them colors? Yay!
Hold on a second. That's trash. These are pretty cool. I like it. You like it? Thief.
Yeah, thief. Yeah, I thief.
All right, we're gonna have to go get some canvases.
Baby, taking them. Like a green castle. Yeah, lots of decorations. Green castle. Wow, awesome. No, different decorations for the baby castle. Mommy, give me that, please. Yeah, I want to give me that, please. Give me that.
Give you what? What is it?
That, please. That.
These?
Wow, awesome.
What are those?
So, what's this? Triangle troops. Yeah, triangle troops. Wow, baby, make a diamond. Yeah, baby, make a diamond. Yeah, baby, make a diamond. Yes, baby, make a diamond. Yeah, baby, make a diamond. Baby, make a diamond.
That's right.
Baby, make a diamond.
It almost looks like a little sandcastle, don't you think?
Yeah, let's make a sandcastle.
So when it came to getting down with the get down, so to speak, I figured we would take 3 canvases and do the 3 slotted cups for our paint pours to try these out. Even though Violet had selected all the colors that we were going to be using for this project, she didn't actually want to do any of the pouring and decided to play something else, but I decided I was just going to keep going with this. It was a little bit windy outside, which kind of threw me for a loop and ended up knocking one of the canvases over, but I really like how simple this was to do and how beautiful these paintings came out. I mean, look at the way that the colors just all kind of magically flowed together effortlessly in these beautiful little slotted cups that were so easy to clean when it was all said and done, and you can reuse them, unlike other methods. So I'm really happy that we ended up grabbing these, and I can't wait to try the other ones out, but I'm sure I'm going to enjoy them just as much. This definitely is something I'm happy to add to my paint pouring and SpinArt collection. Thanks for watching.